Excellence Forum's ABCD of Accounting presented by CA Sandhya Marathe and CA Priya Joshi welcomes you all. Friends, today we are going to understand a very important aspect of an accountant's job. Yes, it is knowledge of business. Usually, an accountant's job is considered to be a desk job. But his job cannot be completed by merely sitting on his desk or in his cabin and just doing data entry. He is expected to roam around the organization, visit different departments, watch procedures, and befriend with the business. So, let's understand one by one what exactly it means. Every business has its own internal as well as external environment, which largely affects its business procedures and business decisions. It is important to understand the form of your organization. That is, whether your organization is a proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership, limited liability company, cooperative society, etc. Applicability of legal provisions largely depend upon the form of organization. The next step is to understand the legal framework of your organization. Knowledge of regulatory laws, tax laws, and other business specific commercial laws is quite crucial for an accountant to discharge his duties effectively and efficiently. Accounting and other relevant policies. Now friends, policies in short means rules. With proper knowledge of these accounting and other relevant policies, an accountant can make a real value addition to its organization. Business processes are the guide for a specific transaction that should flow in an organization. Additionally, these processes ensure the discipline in the operation of an organization. Accountant must understand and adhere to those procedures in order to discharge his duties effectively. Internal control policies are the policies those try to avoid intentional or unintentional errors or mistakes. Also, these try to avoid revenue leakages and try to control the cost. An accountant is expected to understand these internal controls and strictly follow these control policies, and in addition he is expected to give his inputs to strengthen these internal controls. So friends, what do you think? Is it difficult? No, not at all. We are here to help you. With proper guidance, you can easily achieve it. So, come and join us at ABCD of Accounting and experience the difference. Thank you.